Hello there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY. I've got me amigos here. We are dressed up for the Renaissance Fair, and this is the one in Kentucky, Emminence, Kentucky. So I'm just going to show you all that. Just have clips of the day, what it's like, some cool things. I may pop in again in the middle, or maybe be a time lapse and then thought to the end. So either way, we're going to roll that stuff now. Trying to get a good shot. There we go.
Alright, so that was just kind of some B-roll of the day. I figured I'd come here with a voiceover and just talk to you all about what it was like being there. It was a really great time. I really enjoyed the dressing up and seeing people in costumes. It's pretty fun. You'll spot Disney characters in here. Right now what you're watching is Scrooge, because the theme was Christmas in July. Currently Fight a Turkey. They were pretty good. I was surprised at how fast they were swinging, but there's all sorts of shows like this happening around random times. You'll see to the right is the King. You can actually go be knighted during this event. It's fun. You just sign up. They'll knight you, cheer for you. Behind you see the tavern. There's all sorts of things. If you've ever been interested in fantasy and things like that, it's just a fun time to go indulge. See people who are really into the craft of making weapons or cups or leatherwork. All sorts of stuff. Just a good time. Really, really good time if you are invested in any sort of fantasy. Play Dungeons and Dragons, go with your group, have a fun time. I'm going to come here at the end and just talk to you about what I got. I was a little tired at the end of the day, so I thought I'd stop in here once before the end of the video and just talk to you about it. Fun fact, this fight does end with the turkey winning, but she runs away as they try to offer a turkey leg as the victory thing. The turkey legs there were great, by the way, so if you go to one, have one and a tank of mead or grog, whatever you want. Have a good time. But I thought I'd just at least share what I bought today. I didn't buy anything the first day besides alcohol, so I spent about the same money today and didn't get any alcohol. So all I went ahead and got is I got a few things. Number one would be this kind of circlet, $15, so not too bad. This will just help for anytime I want to dress up for these sorts of things in the future. So I already had my outfit for here now, but I went ahead and bought a belt, $35 with the print on it. They went ahead and cut it to size and taught me how to fold it for when I want to use it, because this, you know, doesn't have any buckle thing on it, so they showed you how to tie it and where to tie it, so it's pretty cool. I like when you buy the things locally, they have a good like experience with it. I finally decided I wanted a weapon, but I couldn't decide what, so I bought this little dagger and sheath. Kind of oddly shaped though. The blade is on that end, the long end, not where you think it'd be, which would be the back end. And apparently this is a dagger for felling knights. If you're an archer, your job was to shoot the horse. The knight will fall over, and since they're in big bulky armor, they can't get back up, and you stab them. And if you'll notice, it has two loops, so you can put it through kind of on your back. And the last thing I bought was this bag. Got a cool little latch in my opinion. I liked it. It's a little latch. You just turn it and slide it out, slide it back on to close. So all those items together, this was $55, I think, $55. It was my birthday, so the belt was free. This was $45, so we're at $95, and this, so $115 for a few little toys. So no complaints with that. This could hold, it was kind of funny, this could pretty much perfectly fit my DJI gimbal, so if you see the stillness in those shots, that'd be why. I forgot last two things. Thought if I want to look kind of kingly, I need a couple rings. So I went and bought this like Celtic looking knot one, and then I bought this one, so that was a pretty cool look. They were $25 for two of them, and I'm not a big ring person. I don't think I'll be wearing these out in public, but kind of vibe with this one right here. So that's really it. Went out to Ren Fair. I'm tired, so this is probably not the best quality, but I love to share my experience with you. It was fun. If there's a fair near you, I highly suggest if you go, dress up.
It's a good time. Peace.